Hi, Ricardo. A couple of things. I'm going to give you some feedback here, but you're using the wrong portfolio. I think that was in the original course outline, and it's incorrect. You need to use the EDUC student portfolio. It's blue, and if you go to, you didn't give me edit access here because you didn't watch the video because you thought you knew how to share a document, sorry, a folder. Um, so, but you don't. You have to do share. You have to say anyone with a link, and you have to give me edit status. Otherwise, I can't do anything here. I can't mess up your work. So, and that's an issue because you gave yourself an A, which is fine, but I don't ask that to happen in the master's program. So you did the asynchronous activities, which I can see. You got the questions there, really nicely linked, very well organized. These are all the things, though, that's interesting. Activity 4, activity 4. So all those, my friend, I'm going to just highlight these. I think I can. Can I not? I can't. Can I move these? Let's just see. Should be able to. No, I can't edit. Okay. These should be moved down to community contributions. That's your in-class contributions. That's what you did. It doesn't go in Jenny activity. The problem is you didn't do. It doesn't look like you did the home activity. Um, and you've got an infographic. So you're missing the home activity, which I believe. Let me just find it. You have to go to the website. You have to go down here. And you have to go to lessons. And the home activity asked you to. That's big at home activity was to use notebook, find the benefits and challenges. I don't see that. I don't see that in your portfolio. So maybe I'm missing something. And then you did the personal project, which is fine. And it looks like you are, what are you doing? Primary person to collaborate, inquiries, develop, implement comprehensive culture, responsive learning skills benchmarks for primary grade students at Hunters Glen. This project, okay. Um, okay, so that's a reflection of what you're doing. Fine. I don't actually have a link to your project, which I do need because I need to know what's going on. You've got a good reflection here, which is fine. Um, and then you have your resource list, which is good. I'm hoping that you entered yours in here. Let's see. Okay, that's a long. Oh, that's the wrong list. Yes, it's going to be the wrong list because you need to use the other portfolio. So I would actually sort of say you're at since you didn't do the Jenny activity, it's incomplete. So you have to get that done. Week 2, again, hopefully you did the activity. Student portfolio, Gen activity. It's an excellent for your student. So you have some interaction here, which is fine. I'm going to go to lessons. And so what was the activity for week 2 was to look at the benefits and challenges. So it looks like you did do the activity there. But yeah, okay. Individual, team, reflection. It seems like you're putting the in-class activities up here. So actually you didn't do the the home activity. So you need to understand that these are the home activities down here. And this is the one you should have been looking at, Research Rabbit. I don't see anything in your thing about Research Rabbit or anything of that nature. You've got 6 hours spent on your personal project, but I don't have a link to your project. So you have good reflection, but no link. You do have a resource here, which is fine, and it's entered in. So you're kind of at a mid B right now in terms of where you're at, simply because you're missing two major Gen AI activities, and I don't have a link to your project. So I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm confident. You certainly are putting the effort in, but you need to focus on the right things to do.